What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. My voice might be gone, but I'm here existing to you guys so as we can just unleash some great and amazing tech. And the video of today, what I have for you guys, it's all about the storage. Man, have you ever been in a certain situation whereby you're stuck like this? You're just stuck and you don't know what to do. Well, it's because that sometimes you're running out of storage and you're just finding a better solution for the storage. And today I got something which is so amazing. It's a Transcend 1TB. Ooh, voila, there we're having it. So I thought that I had to grab this and share with you guys my experience and how much you can just get your data safety and covered using the Transcend 1TB, which means it's 25M3. So this is a storage jet which is 25M3 and it has a 3.1 portable hard drive. It's a USB 3.1. I mean, I was like reading, definitely just don't worry about it. Okay, this kind of hard disk drive which I have here, it's so amazing, it's so incredible. Enough talking, let's dive in and let's dig in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I got my knife here with me. We're gonna just do one thing. Done. So we're gonna just round it off just like this way, slightly. I hope all the options they're just this way. Woo, nice. There's nothing else on the box, so just don't get distracted there. Kept my knife aside. Don't want to hide nobody. So we have something which is so great about the external hard drive, which it's here. So you get a cover case, which is not actually a cover, but it's a plastic case which it protects it from the box. Having the HDD drive, as you can see guys, very nice and clean. I'll keep it aside and we'll be back to it. So something else is the paperwork. As you can see guys, these are paperworks. So as you can see guys, there is a dash cam of Transcend here. It's a promo paperwork. They just did some promo, which is awesome. Another kind of stuff, we're having the actual usage of the external. Actually, Transcend, we know how to use externals. Another kind of stuff, it's another promo for the RAM. So if you're messing out with the RAM, I guess this is something which is so important. If you have it, and check it out, if your machine is having a problem with RAM, doing you some random accessing memory, RAM, it does that on you, so you better just check it out and you know what I'm saying. Another kind of stuff you're getting, last but not least, is nothing here. You're getting only the USB 3.1. This is a USB 3.1, very fast for transferring your data throughout the external. Now enough talking, we're gonna peel it out just like this way. Oh, voila, there we're having it. So it's just nice and amazing. So we're having our external here and the USB here. I don't want to teach you guys how to connect. You know what I'm saying. You know how to do it. So just connect it here. The only something which I can speak it about, it's all about this kind of port which you have here. So you might be tossing in some micro USB inside of this if you mess around with the cable, original cable, but I really recommend for fast transferring of your data, make sure that you have this cable because it's going to help you out through transferring through 3.1 speed, which means it's a 3.1 USB cable. So after transferring your old data using this cable, you might get a good and amazing speed. Rather than that, using a 2.1 or 2.0 micro USB, through this you'll get 2.0 USB speed, so it will be just minimal. So I recommend using this. So enough talking, let's jump in on a machine and see our hard drive how it is. After that, we're gonna wind up our video. Okay, as you can see guys, our hard drive, it's here. It's actually been seen, which is something which is so amazing. And I think there are softwares inside. So there's a software called Transfer Elite, and let me just install that for you so as some of you guys can see that. And it's such an amazing kind of software, helping you out through backups and stuff like that. So you're just gonna agree this. I accept, just like that. Then launch the software. Very easy to install, very easy peasy, they usually say that. So we're having our actual software here, and as you can see, there's a backup, restore, encrypt, decrypt, synchronize files, and cloudy. So if you want to connect, I think Google Drive, it's something which is so important. connect it. So since I don't have internet, let me just grab internet so some of you guys can see physically how much it works. So I don't want to like show you like a demonstration which perhaps you may be saying, Abdul, what's happening here? We don't get you, and you're trooping around. We just want to see something which is reality. So another kind of stuff, I think, to my own kind of aspect, it's all about the software is not actually well synchronized through Google Drive. And what about the Dropbox? Does it work on Dropbox, or is it still just a gimmick? Let's see on the Dropbox. Does it work physically, or like I just want to toss in some stuffs. You know what I'm saying? Other code I just copy, normal copy, instead of me doing the other stuff. It's gone. Ah, damn. Okay, I'm gonna just give it a try again. So many times. I know it's kind of like boring on stuff, but we have just to test it, guys. So I'm gonna just paste it. No bad. No bad. Okay, we can see, guys, there's a upload here of the camera uploads. So we might be just start uploading, select destination. Okay, sure. And I can select the destination whereby I want my files to go. So like I want them to be on a certain folder inside here. So I can't right click it still. So let me just select that and start. So as you can see, guys, the camera uploads and stuff like that, it will just start uploading, and all the files will just get ASAP there within a couple of moments, because all the files are synchronized throughout the cloudy. I just wanted to test out this kind of stuff, if it does work or is it just a gimmick, as how Transcend they usually say it. So we tested out on the Google Drive. The Google Drive is actually not working, but on the Dropbox it's actually 100% working. So I think to my own kind of aspect, you got the info ASAP. So yeah, I'm about just to sign out. I guess it will just be uploading, I guess, so it won't do the other thing. But since you guys saw it, I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing tech video. So thank you guys for watching, and I think I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, if you're new, consider subscribing, because some of you guys are watching this video or my content, like 50% of you guys, or 60, you ain't subscribing. For real, guys, like seriously, you don't want to help your homeboy here out? For real? Subscribe to your homeboy here to be so amazing. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Like or dislike, that's what's up. I'll see you guys on the next one. And kudos. Peace.